In this video, we'll show you how to work with a public catalog on MarketProvider, from signing in to exporting data and images. Let's start with access. The catalog opens from a regular link in any browser, on desktop or mobile. The supplier decides how access works. A public catalog takes you straight to the products. No registration, no passwords. If the supplier works only with approved partners, the catalog is private. You get a login and password and enter them on the sign-in page. Either way, the data comes straight from the supplier's database. When the brand updates prices, images, or stock, you see it immediately. After your first sign-in, you choose a catalog. One supplier can run several, by product line, brand, or market, and the list shows only those you have access to. Later, switching takes one click. The drop-down lives in the top right corner. Next to it, the interface language selector with more than 10 languages, and the profile menu has a dark theme. Navigation works like an online store. A category tree on the left with product counts. The display adapts to your task. The large grid is for comparing photos at a glance. The compact grid fits more items on screen, and the table view turns the catalog into a working tool. Name, category, brand, barcode, production country, internal code, HS code, all in columns like a spreadsheet. Click Column Settings, tick the fields you need, drag them into order, and save. The catalog remembers your layout. And notice the cards that look like a deck. That's how products with variants are shown, by color or size, so the listing stays clean. One toggle expands every deck into separate cards. Search works by name, vendor code, and barcode, handy for checking an item from an order. Next to it is a barcode scanner button. More on that at the end. For precise selection, open the Filter panel. Basic filters cover the main fields: categories, tags, brand, vendor code, barcode, production country. The Extended Filters tab filters by every product attribute, down to whether a main image or 3D model files exist. Inside a leaf category, the panel shows that category's attributes right away, and it has its own attribute search. Save a combination you use often, and it waits on the Saved Filters tab. And here's the trick that saves hours. Filter fields accept whole lists. Copy a column of vendor codes or barcodes from Excel, paste it in, and the catalog shows only those products. A 100-line order check becomes one operation. The product page is a complete dossier. On the left, all images and files organized by attribute groups: main image, gallery, showcase, marketing materials. Each group has its own export button, and the menu next to it downloads files in the format you need, from JPEG to WebP. On the right, characteristics in meaningful blocks: base attributes, pricing, physical properties, logistics and packaging, safety and compliance, even ready-made attribute sets for specific channels. Show All opens everything at once. Next to the title, the update date, so you know how fresh the data is. Arrows flip through products without going back to the list, and clicking a subcategory in the breadcrumbs instantly opens all of its products. At the bottom, related items on 3 tabs: kits, recommended products, and analogs. All the supplier's files live in the DAM, the built-in digital asset storage. There are 2 ways in. The DAM button on a product page opens that product's folder, files in a list with sizes and dates, while the DAM item in the top menu opens the entire storage, organized in folders like a familiar drive. Tick files and download them one by one or in a batch. The Go to Product button takes you straight back to the product page. Now the part buyers care about most: export. Select the products you need or the whole catalog and click Export. Data comes out as Excel, CSV, XML, or JSON, with the fields set configurable through attribute selection. Exporting the entire catalog creates a separate file per category, and inside is not just a table, but a ready specification. Fields grouped into blocks, with hints under each header showing which fields are mandatory and which values are allowed. That file makes sense to a person and to an ERP system alike. Media export has 2 modes. By default, the download mirrors the catalog structure: a category folder, product folders inside, files sorted by groups, from the main image to certificates. Need a flat archive instead? Tick in a single folder, set the format and dimensions, and the files are renamed automatically by any attribute, even the barcode. Either way, the materials are ready to use without renaming a single file by hand. The catalog is fully adapted for phones and tablets. Same catalog, same link. No apps to install. Categories, filters, product pages, and even export work on any screen. And for work in the field, the barcode scanner. Tap the scanner icon next to the search, point your camera at the package, and the catalog finds the product instantly. At goods in the warehouse, or on the shop floor, it replaces typing codes by hand. The bottom line is simple. A public catalog is an always up-to-date source of your supplier's product data. Find it, check it, export it. If your supplier still sends price lists as files, send them this video. And to create a catalog like this for your own partners, the MarketProvider link is in the description.